guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a towel tote bag. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are a marker, an old towel, glue, and scissors. First, you're going to draw out the length and width of your towel tote bag. Next, you're just going to cut out your lines. Next, you're going to draw some handles to attach to the bag. Now you're going to cut out those handles. Now all you're going to do is just glue all your sides together, except for one side, which is going to be the opening in the bag. Now what you're going to do is trim any excess towel that is hanging out above. Now you're going to inside out your bag. This will make it look a lot nicer. Now flip your bag over to the side that has an opening. Now you're just going to glue both of your handles into your bag, like so. When you finish, you'll have a super cute towel tote bag. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!